Hi everybody, this is Chris and I just wanted to show you an easy way to take a video that you have in Loom and put it into Canvas. So we're going to go over here to this video that I made in Loom, and there is a copy link right here, and that's the most basic way. You can just take this link and then post it in Canvas. If you want the privacy set to only people with that link can view the video, you can do that, but that would just be text in Canvas. If you want a more visual approach where it's embedded in Canvas, what you want to do is go down here to the share arrow, and you want to click on this icon right here, and then click on the embed option. Responsive means that it'll adjust to screen size. You can try that out if you'd like. Or you can do fixed size if you have a size that you like. 480 as my width. So I'm just going to choose 480. I'm going to click the copy code. And then I'm going to go over to another tab where I have Canvas open. This could be an assignment, could be a page, discussion, quiz, whatever it is. You have in the rich text editor of Canvas this Insert Edit Media button. So you're going to click on that. Oh, you know what? Before I do that, sometimes it's better to put like a heading or description. Well, let's say it's a heading and then description, right? Then you can go over here to click on heading and change it from paragraph to, let's say, header 3. There we go, description text. Okay, and now I want to put the video right here. So I'm going to click on that Insert Edit Media button. I'm going to click the Embed option right here, and then I'm going to paste the code. And you can see that it looks something like that. You can see again the 480 by 270 dimensions. I'm going to click OK, and then there it is. So if I want to put something after it, I can hit a return, put more text here. And if I wanted another video, I can do that again. So you either click Save and Publish or just save, and it's ready to go. And we'll take a look at what this looks like. So right there, click play, it's working. And that's a great way to do that. The video stays on Loom, but it's embedded in Canvas. It doesn't go against any of your file upload count in Canvas. And there's always the option for students to watch this on Loom right there if they click on that too. So hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions on this, or you have another way that you like to do this, please share that with me. Thanks.